Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's video, I will be teaching you how to make one of my crochet patterns, the simple striped blanket. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the double crochet stitch and how to change colors. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make any number of chains for how wide you want your blanket. I'm going to go ahead and make 176 chains for my example blanket. So I already have a slip knot and I'm going to start making my chains. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. So 1, 2, and 3. You're now going to make 1 double crochet for each chain across. To start row 2, make 2 chains. You're now going to work 1 double crochet into each stitch across for row 2. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. You can change colors. on the beginning of some rows for how big and small you want your stripes. I'm planning on doing big stripes mixed with small stripes, so I'm going to go ahead and make the rest of my blanket, and I will come back and show you my example blanket on where I changed colors, how big and small my stripes are. Here is my example blanket. I made big stripes and small stripes. The big stripes are 6 rows of color and these small stripes are 2 rows of color. And I made 10 panels of 1 big and 1 small stripe for the total of my blanket. So that is going to be how to make the simple striped blanket. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.